Welcome back. We had a very pleasant day across all of Illinois. Now we did get a little bit lucky. This patch of rain and some storms further south, that eluded us. That was originally supposed to hit our area today, but we did luck out just slightly, stayed to the south of Illinois. Most of the Appalachian states, such as Kentucky or Tennessee, got that. We are seeing some clouds starting to enter the viewing area, though, which weren't with us during the daytime hours. As we see right now, area conditions, we're starting to see the sunset across the area. Conditions staying in the 30s for everyone except for Danville. They're back down into the 30s already, their current temperature of 38. Down from our daytime highs, though, we saw all of the area right around the mid-40s, 45 here in Charleston. Got up to 46 over in Decatur and 48 across the border in Terre Haute. Now those temperatures will be continuing to drop as we move overnight tonight. 27 for your overnight low here in Charleston. We're going to be staying chilly, winds coming from our northwest at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, but the clouds are going to be clearing. I told you those clouds are starting to make their way into the area. Those will be clearing as we start the daytime hours tomorrow. Now, for our bus stop forecast, we are going to start the day out partly cloudy. Those clouds aren't entirely out of the area. Going to stay below freezing right around the 7 o'clock hour. By the time we reach the midday hours, right about 2, 3 o'clock, we're going to be back up to where we were today, upper mid-40s, 48 for our temperature at about 2 o'clock. And as we look at our daily breakdown for tomorrow, we'll be back up into the 50s, 50 exactly for our high tomorrow. We're going to be seeing those clouds building during the day all day Tuesday. Winds coming from our northwest and shifting at times from the west to the west and from the north. Those will be helping to cool down temperatures just slightly, which we will be seeing later on this week. But before that, Futurecast, I'll just let this roll out for you because we're not going to be seeing a whole lot of action. Those clouds cleared out of the area. We're going to be staying mostly clear overnight tonight. Now, by the time we reach the lunchtime hours tomorrow, we're going to start to see those clouds reintroduce themselves into the area, and you'll start to see a couple pockets of showers starting in the early afternoon, early evening hours. And that will be continuing for the northern part of our viewing area tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Some areas could even possibly see a wintry mix. We are getting closer to those freezing temperatures by that time of the night, so some areas could see a little bit of a wintry mix as they continue their Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But Wednesday, though, for your Valentine's Day, we're going to be very pleasant out and about. Partly cloudy skies on Wednesday, 54 for our high, so we're getting warmer, but that warm-up won't be lasting forever. Thursday, chance of some AM showers early on, but we are going to be staying mostly cloudy, 48 degrees for our high, and that's in part to what we're seeing in our upper level jet stream. That storm system that I showed you that's currently sat over Kentucky and Tennessee that missed us, that's kind of represented by this trough line here. That's where that storm system's currently sat. As that continues to push off to the east, we're going to start to see a little bit of a west to east pattern establish itself over the area, and that means that temperatures for the most part are going to continue to stay neutral. One thing that isn't staying neutral, though, is our daylight totals. We did see sunrise and sunset totals change a little bit. 6:48 for the sunrise today. Right before the show started is when the sun set here in Charleston, 5:25. We saw over 10 and a half hours of daylight, which will be continuing to increase as we get closer to the vernal equinox. Now, looking at our 7-day outlook here, we are going to start a cool down as we get to the latter half of our work week. Friday brings the possibility of even seeing some snow, but 43 for our high on Friday. We're going to be seeing temperatures back down to freezing for our high to start the weekend, so